All right, now we got the wet ingredients.
Salt?
Yeah, salt. We got a little bit of buttermilk. That's a half a cup. 1 large egg. Whoop.
1 large egg.
Yeah, 1 large egg. How you doing, Ty?
I'm doing great. Doing really great.
Melted butter.
Buttermilk. So, I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Buttermilk. Now, isn't that sort of...
Buttermilk?
Well, yeah. Explain how you get buttermilk. I mean, does the cow eat a lot of butter?
Yes.
How does it turn into buttermilk?
Well, actually, it's just sort of...
It's chunky.
Yeah.
I can see that.
It's chunky.
Yeah. That's because it's got so much delicious butter.
Save a little bit of that butter to put on your griddle. All right?
All right.
All right, now a little vanilla extract in there. Who's done with their batter? Okay.
You're not putting the butter in there, though, right? No.
We're whisking.
Did you say whiskey?
We're whisking. Now we're going to put a little bit of pumpkin pie filling. Little pumpkin in there now. Oh, yeah. Some pecans. You like pecans, Ty?
I do. I'm a big fan of pecans.